This program is brought to you by Greenwich.
Just when your friends were around, your family so let you down.
Pero naligo naman ako this morning.
Remember, washing away germs is not enough to keep you fresh. Next time, use Rexona with the Deosteral Max after bathing for longer-lasting deodorant protection. So throughout your day, Rexona keeps you smelling clean and fresh.
Now you've got confidence the whole day through. Now Rexona won't let you down.
Girls can't kick.
Says who? You can with Kotex Panty Liners. The only panty liner with co-form, and now with side embossing for extra durability. Kotex Panty Liners, for women who want to do more.
Para sa beauty na napapansin, mag-Eskinol Natural. May natural ingredients that deep cleanse your skin para sa clearer, smoother skin, natural na kinis. Use it every day. Eskinol Natural, the new face of confidence. From Eskinol, the #1 facial cleanser.
Para sa gutom na wala sa oras, it's just me and my mug. Lagi me and my mug. No cook to at tamang-tama lang. Kaya kahit ako lang, enjoy naman sa sarap. Kahit saan magpunta, lagi ko siyang kasama. Lagi me and my mug. Magkasama sa sarap.
I like it.
Get the coolest hairstyle under the sun with Suave Naturals. The only hairdressing and conditioner that gives your hair sun protection. Plus aloe vera and cocoa milk to nourish your hair's every strand. That's instant manageability and shine. Even under the sun. Suave Naturals.
The sun can give you wrinkles sooner than you expect. You need Johnson's Face Powder with Sun Protection. Gives 6 times more protection from the sun.
Ang sipot ni Gato!
Hoy! Something hot! Boy Barado at Simeon sakit ulo! Dapat sa inyo pahinga! At Neozep!
The Neozep. Follow on runny nose, headache at clog nose.
Ay, hold sipon!
Neozep, the total cold specialist.
Give it a people, Greenwich special now. Give it up sa sarap. Walang kasing sarap, over sa sulit. Greenwich special now. Given to your taste, given to Greenwich.
Yeah. Ang programang ito ay hatid sa inyo ng Rejoice Rich.